SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. SLP in a real sense faces opposition at $0.003 in a really significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir for the most part is as of now esteemed at $0.003. Backing for the explicitly bears in every practical sense has been laid out at $0.003. 26 June 2023. In this video, we will walk you through genuinely smooth love mixture cost examination for NA, or if a truly 1 week from NA, and fundamentally attempt to answer this much of the time commonly clarified some things facts. What in a real sense is genuinely momentary cost expectation for kind of smooth love elixir? Sort of is SLP a genuinely wise speculation? Or so they by and large thought. Smooth love elixir support and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense is very critical. Yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the SLP specialized investigation, for the most part allowed us truly to discuss the kind of current economic situations, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,186,659,470,300 in an unpretentious manner. The especially all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $32,396,217,087, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in a fundamentally significant manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value lessening of 0.7%. Coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time period, or so they truly thought. XRP, the extremely local coin of XRP, fundamentally is somewhere near 1.1 and right now exchanging at 49 cents. So market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $1,186,659,470,300, which really is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a kind of descending course for present moment, sort of additional appearance. How market examination over the last 24 hours, there for the most part, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,186,659,470,300 in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a really broad, essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which especially shows that the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $32,396,217,087, or so they for the most part thought. Smooth love elixir backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting that XRP, the for the most part local coin of XRP, really is somewhere near 1.1. And as of now exchanging at 49 cents. So market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,186,659,470,300, which all things considered, is very huge. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers generally become kind of more really dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which for the most part shows that smooth love elixir support and obstruction levels, and so on in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which merchants basically become move sort of dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving in every way that really matters, higher in an unpretentious way. Following explicitly are the help and opposition levels of truly smooth love mixture, SLP, especially smooth love elixir execution. The truly day-to-day graph of commonly smooth love mixture sort of shows that the SLP cost for the most part has a sort of descending development, with a 1.18% diminishing in commonly beyond 24 hours in an extremely large manner. The value worth of the extremely smooth love mixture, SLP coin in every way that really matters, is remaining at $0.003, with market capitalization $137,276,313 United States dollars, which sort of is very huge. SLP cost changes 4.08% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume certainly is drifting around $10,395,115 United States dollars, exhibiting what by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Smooth love mixture value investigation SLP cost examination for 26 June 2023, insight and in every way that really matters, day-to-day time period, basically made sense of underneath. So Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which sort of is very critical. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving really normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward, moving genuinely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the very smooth love mixture, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. The genuinely relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the SLP coin fundamentally is close oversold zone, as RSI for the most part is at 34 in a really significant manner. The MACD line for the most part is remaining underneath of the buy and large sign line after a hybrid, showing how the sort of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $32,396,217,087, which sort of is very huge. Smooth love elixir financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram, which for the most part shows that really smooth love mixture value examination SLP cost examination for 26 June 2023, inside a genuinely day-to-day time span, generally made sense of beneath. So Bitcoin shares 40